Hi, how you guys doing? Hope y'all are ready. Today we're gonna color a pumpkin. That's right, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna paint them. Now, you can paint them any colors you want, or you can use anything you want. You can either use paint, markers, crayons, anything, watercolors, whatever you want, and you can make it your own. So any color you want, you can. Well, this pumpkin is white. See, got it at the Dollar Tree. It's only paid $1, but we're gonna have fun with it. Today we're gonna be creative. I'm gonna paint mine the color orange. You see? So you can color it any color you want, whatever you want to color it. It's your design, it's your pumpkin. So let's get started, okay? Right now I'm gonna speed it all up so the video won't be so long. But if you want, you can slow it down, okay? All right, let's get started. Here we go. Just remember, it don't have to be perfect, 'cause it's all about having fun. Just be creative, okay? All right. That's right. Don't forget about the bottom. All right. Now let it dry for a little bit. Once it dries, then we can go ahead and get the next color. Now we got to do the little stem that comes off on the top of the pumpkin. I'm gonna do mine green. You can, like I say, you can do yours any color you want. All right, it's your pumpkin. Here we go. All right, looks nice, don't it? Yeah. Okay, now we gotta add little veins or stems or roots that come from the side. See? Now they can't see them too good, but it's okay, because later we'll go over it with a marker. Okay? This is just so we have an idea where they're going to be. Now you can add more than what I put, or you don't even have to put them on there if you don't want. Or you could just put bats. Ooh. Yeah, be creative. Use your imagination. It's your pumpkin. Have fun. Now we're gonna go ahead and put a face on our pumpkin. So you can grab a pencil, marker, whatever you have, so we can draw a face. Okay, you can make yours look like anything you want, okay? And like I said before, it's your pumpkin. It's all about having fun. Use your imagination. Yeah, now I'm gonna grab a pencil and I'm gonna draw a face on there. And then once I do that, then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna trace it over with a marker. Okay? Now pick a side where you would like to put yours. Where do I want to draw mine? You know what? I like it right here. There we go. There. Looks pretty smooth, pretty dry. I think it's ready. Let me grab my pencils and everything that I need so I can get started. And y'all too, get what you need so you can get started on your drawing. So, I hope y'all know what y'all gonna be ready to do for Halloween. Or what do y'all want to dress like? Yeah. I hope y'all got y'all's costumes. If not, at least have an idea. Here, I'm gonna start drawing, making the face so that I know where it's gonna be. Yeah. I use a pencil so that way if I make a mistake, I can erase it. Oh yeah, almost ready. Yeah, look at that. Woohoo! Looks nice, don't it? Now let me get my marker so I can trace it. But first I gotta fix this little piece down here. Yeah, 'cause the mouth looks a little small. Gotta make it a little bigger so we're able to see it. Yeah. And then I gotta put the tongue on there and erase the bottom line. Yeah, I made a mistake there. But see, that's why I use a pencil so I can erase. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get my markers, get them ready so I can start coloring and tracing my pumpkin. Looks great, don't it? All right, here we go. Looks a lot different now, don't it? From when it was white at the beginning. Now it's got color. Yeah. Starting to look more and more like a Halloween pumpkin. Woohoo! Yeah. Who loves Halloween? All right. Woohoo! Now I gotta do the other eye. Can't forget that one. Now we're gonna do the eyebrows. Can't forget about them. Oh yeah. Now let's do the nose. What color for the nose? Yeah, I think I'll use this one. It's a little more of a pink color. I'm gonna do first the red for the tongue. And then we're gonna do the nose. Woohoo! Here we go, here we go. There it is. Alright. Now we're gonna do the pink for the cheeks. I decided to use paint on this one, but then later I kind of didn't really like it, so I took it off and I used the marker. So like I say, you can use anything you want. It don't matter. Markers, paint, watercolors, anything. You mix it all together. It's all about having fun, using imagination, and experimenting. That's right. Woohoo! Subscribe. Now we're gonna use blue to put it on the eyes, cause my pumpkin has blue eyes. You could put any color you want on your pumpkin's eyes. Make them brown, blue, gray, green, whatever your heart wants. It's your pumpkin. Now we're gonna put some white where the eyes are to make it stand out where the glare of the light is. Yeah. And on the nose. Hee hee. And a little bit on where the tongue is. Looks nice, right? Good job. We're doing this together. Alright, see? Having a lot of fun painting a pumpkin for Halloween. So now you can, once you get this done, you'll be able to make more. And then later, you and mommy and daddy can get together and make pumpkins together. And have lots of fun. And you can show them to your friends, your teachers, and everybody. Show them how good of an artist and creator you are by using your imagination. Because here on ABCs for Kids, we're here to learn and expand our imagination. All right. And if you like this video and you're enjoying it, having fun, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button too, so that way you won't miss out. And if you need help, ask mom and daddy to press it for you. Because I got more videos coming. Yeah. Y'all like puppets? I got puppet videos coming too. Alright, see? Oh, look at beautiful, beautiful pumpkin. It looks nice. Let me put this tray under here because I'm not just going to keep rolling over. There we go. That's how it'll stay up. Ooh. All right. Well, my friends, what do you think? Do you like it? Did you have fun? All right. Well, I'm glad you guys had fun. I hope y'all come back again. Thank you. Love you.